Here are 5 key steps to effective church marketing and branding. 1. Define your church's unique characteristics and core values. Discover what makes your church distinct and attractive to your target audience. This will form the foundation of your brand identity. 2. Develop a clear and compelling message. Use the story brand framework to ensure your messaging resonates with your audience and communicates your church's purpose and offerings. Craft an elevator pitch that succinctly captures your brand. 3. Create recognizable visual branding. Develop a consistent look and feel across all your church's marketing materials, including your logo, colors, fonts, and imagery. Use photos of real people from your church instead of stock images. 4. Implement strategic marketing channels. Determine the best ways to reach your target audience, such as social media, email, direct mail, advertising, events, and word of mouth. Ensure your brand is consistently represented across all touch points. 5. Engage and inspire your audience. Invite people to connect with our church, inform them about our mission and offerings, include a theme in your community, instruct them with our teachings, and inspire them to grow in their faith continuously. Evaluate and refine our marketing efforts based on audience feedback and results. By following these steps, your church can develop an authentic, attractive brand that effectively communicates your unique identity and draws in your target audience.